We are here in Ifako Ijaiye local government where we are having the official opening of the tournament that is taking place here in Ifako Ijaiye. So Ward C1 is going to be meeting with Ward B in today's tournament. It has inter-ward competition. So why don't you come along with me and let's watch how the match unfolds on the pitch today in Ifako Ijaiye. So I want to say a very big thank you to the honorable chairman of this local government, the president of Honorable Usman Akambi Amzat, who is making this thing to happen, bringing sports to his people, to unify them. So my able councillor, I want to still give it to the councillors of the world which are playing today. And
we have the national anthem. If you know the national anthem, please, let's recite it together. 1, 2, 3, go! Please, let's put our hands together for a great nation like Nigeria. Let's put our hands together while we have our seats. Yes. It's time between Ward C versus Ward B. In all blue and black outfits. No other person than No. As you can see, the officials of the current football match are prepping themselves up to do judgment and justice to the very between and the match is about to start. Thank you very much, all for one. The man on the wheel of steel. For good music, good vibes, call on, all for one. For all your entertainment. Now we are going straight into the match between Ward B, the defending champion in the inter-ward local government games, versus Ward C. Stripes. A long one into the goal line. That's a wasteful shot. That's a wasteful shot, and the game is on. Scoreline is still goalless. See you. The product of Ifako Ijaiye. The man that has taken Ifako Ijaiye to lasso very well and won it so many times. Sends it forward. Jersey number 10. And interception. Free kick. Free kick to jersey number 11. We want to really thank all our sponsors that have really deemed it fit to come down to Ifako Ijaiye. RC Cola, we say thank you for really taking your home as the ground of support. We say thank you, RC Cola. RC Cola. I never see cold drink here. Bring it forward. I never see cold drink. A long one. Yeah, we can see. There's a long one into the field, but we'll give us a wahala. No trouble. Pachi sends a long one for Ward B. And the clearance from the captain. Free kick.
Arbola, DJ go. MC, DJ.
I see Kola and one and only refreshing drink in the Usman Akobi Hamzat Inter-World Football Competition. No other Kola can beat it, just RC, ruling class of all Kola. Now we can see what he advancing through the corner. Yes, it has gone forward. There is an infringement right now against Ward B, and the player of Ward C is down on the turn.
The long one clearance from Ward A. Trying towards C. Trying towards C. Jersey number 10. A quick one again. To jersey number 9. Jersey number 9 locates his man at the far left. Will return it back to number 1. And this. It's a corner kick towards B. Can this be the opportunity we are waiting for? 1 year today. Can this be the goal we are waiting for? He sent it into the 80 yards. Oh no! Nearly cannot kill a bird.
Yes, it has gone out for a goal kick.
It's a goal kick towards C. Long one from the goalkeeper. Interception from Ward B, who finds jersey number 12, jersey number 5, he sends it to number 4. Number 4 locating jersey number 2.
Yes.
Oh no! What a wonderful defense line from jersey number 9 for Ward C. Oh yeah, now 10,000 to 1 leg, 10,000 to 1 leg. And so that predicts that no man win in the league. Prince, Usman, Hamzat, Akobi, only 10,000 to 1 leg. I love that predicting first goal, first goal, first goal, first goal, first.
Shade you, was it? Let's go and shade me. Quite about
to the referee saying the free kick player is down. The free kick towards C. And the captain in jersey number 16 is there to do justice to it. Can this be the opportunity we are waiting for?
We have someone here to take over and to take away the 10,000.
And it's a corner kick
for Ward B.
It's a corner kick to Ward B. Both sides are really sizing themselves up. And it's still goalless. That is a long one into the 80 yards. Oh no, nearly cannot kill a bird. The ball is still on. And Ward C. It's a goal kick. It's a goal kick towards C. A long one from the goalkeeper of Ward C. An interception to jersey number 4 from Ward B. Oh, the captain is doing justice. This is dangerous. Can this be the opportunity we are waiting for? Ward B. It's a throw-in to Ward B. A quick one taken. Throwing to Ward C. Once again, want to say thank you to Prince Usman and Ifako Ijaiye for giving us this wonderful grassroots game. In Ifako Ijaiye, between Ward B, the defending champion, and Ward C. C1. Oh, sorry, C1. We have C1, we have C2. I've been rightly told this is the word of the chairman himself. No wonder he's so serious watching them, passing instruction from his chair. Prince Usman Akobi, the Atupa of Ifako Ijaiye. Free kick to C1. around. Global TV, we say thank you for coming around. Ibile, we say thank you for coming around. Just 94.7 FM, we say thank you for coming around. And all media men, both prints and TV that are here. This is dangerous. Can this be the chance? Let's see. One, two, Chairman, are you clapping? You are clapping. Okay, you are everything. I hope the tension will not hold you. That's the beauty of football. Whether you are a Muslim or you are a Christian, as long as it's football, you are united. And that is the beauty. That's a wonderful one. Wow. This is dangerous. Goalkeeper says it again. The ball is still on. Goalkeeper says, wahala. Emma for chairman. Chairman, why you want to jump up now? Oh no! The defending champion are really proving that yes, truly, they are champions. Jersey number 12 locates jersey number 4. Jersey number 4 dribbles one. He finds on the far right. He locates his man, jersey number 15. That locates into the areas. This is dangerous. But the keeper paper wahala. Only chairman Foko Balle, Overwale. Muslim, Christian. As long as you love football. Jersey number 2. And let us have good result. The best team to win is one. The defending champion are really defending it well. And improvements on the player is down from C1 of For some of you that have not seen Okito, just go round where the chairman is sitting right now. You will see a man that is going on his knee, praying that one thing should not lose. Okito, mo fẹ́ ẹgbàá Ọlọ́run gbọ́ báyìí. Olórí géèmù jẹ́ ní gbàdúrà. Orí ìkúnlẹ̀ Okito wá báyìí, ó ń gbàdúrà pé òun náà tó. This is dangerous and it's a final kick towards him. He sends it in! Wonderful, 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 wonderful. And it has gone in for a corner kick also. Even the chairman himself is clapping. He said this one a correct free kick. But goalkeeper tried his best. Goalkeeper is still there again. It's a journey to what be.
Thank you. This is the award what from the
see, I really putting pressure on what B. Sends it to the far left, jersey number 10. He locates jersey number 12. He dribbles one. But the solid rock is saying about wahala. And it's a free kick to what B. Despite football is a contact game, there's laws and there's rules.
Realize that sports is the only religion that brings everybody together.
Throwing to what B.
Thank you. How was this award in Ifako Ijaiye? Well, from what you are saying here, you will see that every caliber of people here, we have civil servants here, we have technocrats, we have politicians, we have traders, we have artisans, and we have a lot of them with us. So it shows that sports shall strengthen the unity of the country in Ifako Ijaiye.
Don't forget Ifako Ijaiye has also produced a team at the Nigerian National League. And we know that will happen with Isaiah's program live in Ifako Ijaiye at the Nigerian National League. Hoping to promote to the NPSL this season. And will be winning the NNL this season.
Not just people who are taking sport as their career, to all people who have one ambition or the other. It's just to tell them that whatever you have in mind to do, you should always stand by it, stay by it, and And apart from the administration, how long you have been performing? Well, apart from football, I can tell you also that we have partnership with some sport bodies, and all that, and they just took like 4 of our under-16 abroad for what do they call it? I've forgotten, but for a competition, and one of them have been signed. So we have a lot of ways that we are doing in boxing. In Ifako Ijaiye, we have been able to produce a world banter championship. And she went to the World Championship in London, and she won it everywhere. So in all ramifications, we've been doing a lot in sports. In all ramifications, we have done civil competition, we've done table tennis competition, we did local competition of presents. We've done this is an evidence of our own football competition again. In all aspects, we've been doing a whole lot.
Okay, so would you say it's a kind of one-off thing, or you tend to be taking this yearly?
This is the 3rd edition, so it's a yearly thing. It's started since the inception of this administration. So, and it's what we continue to do. We did our first year we did boxing competition. Last year we did another one. This year we did another one. So it's a yearly thing. It's like a ritual that we must do on a yearly basis.
All right, ẹ ṣe ká padà sí ẹ̀rọ àmọ̀ pé tó nífẹ̀ẹ́ ìdárayá lè yín lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ ṣe lè sọ fún wa nǹkan tó máa ń inspire yín láti ṣe ọ̀pọ̀ pàápàá jùlọ ilé ìtọ́jú ilé.
Kí ni inspire Yorùbá? Nǹkan tó jẹ́ ìwúrí fún wa ni pé a rí pé eré ìdárayá kò sí ìkọ̀kan tó tún kọ́ àwọn èèyàn jọ pọ̀ ju eré ìdárayá. Ẹni báyìí sí, a rí pé àmọ̀ bóyá Christian wà ń bí, àmọ̀ bóyá Muslim lèèyàn kan, àmọ̀ bóyá aláwo lèèyàn kan, àmọ̀ bóyá èèyàn kan, bóyá politician ni, àmọ̀ bóyá adé tọ́jú sí lò. Eré ìdárayá tó yẹ kó kó everybody papọ̀ ni, ó yẹ máa ń mú ìròyìn kúrò lọ́kùnrin láti ṣe ọba ṣe tó mára yá ni. Mo dẹ̀ dúró arúgbó pé kò sí nǹkan kan tó ń kó wa jọ pọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ju eré ìdárayá lọ.
Eléyìí tí wọ́n ṣe lọ́wọ́ yìí ọjọ́ mélòó ló máa fi èèyàn yá àti kí ṣe ọlọ́dọọdún yìí.
Àkọ́kọ́ ọdọọdún ni àgbà láti wọlé sí orí ìjókòó iná láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ nísìnyí eléyìí tàdé ń ṣe yìí òun ní ìkẹta ọdọọdún là ń ṣe pẹ̀lú gbọ́dọ̀ yìí bàbá kò níjọba àtúmọ̀ kọ̀ǹtínú ẹ̀ náà a máa tẹ̀síwájú pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ pẹ̀lú gbọ́dọ̀ eléyìí náà kò ní ju ọjọ́ bíi 4 lọ torí àwọn tí tó gba 8 péré ni wọ́n so knockout dẹ̀ ni wọ́n bá ti gbáǹsẹ̀ tó bá ti lose ó ti fìdí rẹmi nìyẹn ó ń lọ lé nìyẹn so pẹ̀lú gbọ́dọ̀ kò ní ju ọjọ́ 7 lọ.
Lákòótọ́ kí pé ètò méjìlá ṣe níjọba àbílẹ̀ yìí lẹ́nu àkọ́kọ́ òní ti tó ní ṣe pẹ̀lú ẹ̀.
This has not been the first edition. I think this is the 3rd edition. We just have to give kudos to the executive chairman for his being passionate for sports. He's an advocate of empowering the youth through sports and other empowerment. Like this competition, we have some scouts that are coming towards the end of the competition. I've seen 2 or 3 of them are here already. Because we have an academy. We have an academy that we are working in conjunction with. That they promise that whoever that perform well in this competition, they are going to give us a happy hand. And that by next year they are going to be fully on ground. It gives us more assistance in the competition. Yes, like sports now. It's a big business. It's a means of livelihood. Sport is a means of livelihood. And for the chairman to create this enabling grant for them, to exhibit their talent, I think kudos should be given to him.
Okay, so we can see there is no coming around to be partner. We don't have to separate this of the election.
Yes, that's it. RC Cola has been very fantastic. Like, we want to implore you, the media personnel, to please help us give this a wide coverage so that more sponsors will come to our aid. But we want to give kudos to the management of RC Kola for their total support. My name is Shakiru Babagum, aka Shabon, Chairman Sports Committee Ifako Ijaiye. I want to thank you, gentlemen of the press.
To support, the program that is going on, to show my moral support, and to also try and commend the honorable the executive chairman for creating time for programs like this, to engage the youth of Lagos State. Okay, looking at the youth of Lagos State, particularly the Ifako Ijaiye.
Another prediction is coming in. Prediction taking place in favor of Rugby 1-0. Kadafi answer to Rugby
generally. Well, for me, it's just simple. They need to, make sure that they use their time very well. Things like this, can be opportunity to improve themselves in all aspects. And fortunately, today is even more mental. So things like this can good for mental health too. So I'll just encourage them that whatever time they have, they should use it for kids that is developmental, not social vices. Okay, so I want to believe, I don't know, maybe things like this in the government. If they don't have it, would you like to encourage the government of Lagos State to look inward to the SSA on youth? Well, for me, I think, during the time we're having securities town hall meeting, I used to emphasize on something, and what I used to emphasize on is Lagos State is different. Go to Ifedodo, Ajeromi, go to Dokoro, go to Sudere. They are having, engagement. They are engaging the youth back to sport. So I'll just advise them is for them to continue, on youth engagement. So that's just what would you like for me? Well, for me, he has been doing it, even before he became the chairman, So I'll just advise him to continue and, try to diverse to other sports too, apart from football, snooker, and boxing. So that's just it. I'll be a point in the SSC on YouTube to Mr. Webber. So what can you say about what you have taken place here today?
As you can see, this is the third edition of that is Usman Akobi Amzat football competition. This is the third edition, and as you can see, everything is going on fine. The footballers are showing their talent, and everybody, it comprises all the youth in Ifako Ijaiye, and we are all here doing fine.
It's very encouraging. And this is the first match. A lot of people are yet to be aware of. And I can tell you the next match is really, in fact, this place will be filled with crowd. But I can say they have to make good use of this opportunity. Having a youth as the chairman of Ifako Ijaiye local government, and that is actually ready for them. He wants to bring them out. When we were discussing, there was a time we were discussing, he said he will even go to the level of bringing those that will scout for player, and it can make them go international.
Okay, how do you people intend to scout for sponsor for a kind of event like this? Because I always say a company called House Solar. What do you have to say about that company than other companies looking forward to that?
You see, before we can scout for we can bring those that scout for players. We need to have many events, and we can show them, we can showcase that, show them, and call them the chairman at international connection, and we can bring them down. We need to have something to show for it. And that is why we're having all this event. And I know I can bet it that the next one, the fourth edition we're going to do, you'll see people coming from abroad. Those that are scouting for players will be here. Mudashiru Jelili Adetuchi, councillor representing the great people of Wadi. Thank you.
Yellow card to jersey number 15. team for what be?
Yeah, it is not yet end of the game. Now, I want to take you back to memory lane here in Ifako Ijaiye. Far back some years back. That is talking about 89, 90 and thereabouts. 89, 90, 92. We used to have some great footballers here in Ifako Ijaiye. Yeah. I want to remember the likes of Missy Walao. I can see remember that guy very well. He can dribble you from the end of one pole to the end of the second pole.
First football club, their coach across the hill from Ifako Ijaiye.
Yeah, that is Kenyan.
And this is dangerous. Can this be the chance you're waiting for? Yeah. That is an interception. Let me say player.
So when we talk about Jabari Mohammed happens to be from Ward-C1.
Jabari Mohammed from Ward-C1.
Then those coaches that we have in those days, one of them is among us here today. We have again, that is
Amatoku is a legend. He has been a legend. He played football right from the grassroots. And he's also the coach, the chief coach of Ward-C1 right now. Who would believe that this man is 60 plus? That is the advantage of being sport. Amatoku, Harry Amatoku, very, very active. He used to wear jersey number 7 in his playing days, and he refused to forget that number any day, anytime. Harry Amatoku, a legend from this pitch, now a coach.
Yeah, we used to have the likes of Ebu. I think he graduated from this school in
Somebody, Ebu. I can see the medical team of what be Bigapua. Can you run like your player?
Don't forget we still have Elekeru Tigers. Those are the football teams of those days. We have Elekeru Tigers.
For the new generation, are you getting to hear your legends in the Ifako Ijaiye?
Then we have Ajebe.
This is dangerous. Can this be?
Oh no.
Today match, I was so excited because I really appreciate the effort of my boys, and I really appreciate the effort of the chairman. I really appreciate the effort of the coach, including the boys. They really perform well.
Okay, do you really see this coming today that your team fully come?
When I saw them when they are doing training, when I saw them on their training, I know that they are going to win this match.
Okay, now they've won the match. What's next we expect from your team in your next match?
For the semi-final, what I saw today, because today is their first match, I know that some of them, they are just gathering themselves one by one, but the next match is going to be tough, but we are going to win.
Yeah, okay, looking at this team, you say they are really bona fide people living in Ward-C1.
Yes, capital yes. We have some boys living in Oyemekun, left side, Moyuagoro, Olufemi Ogunsola, Kayode Street, Kayode Street, Fadipe, and Estate.
Those are the areas you start from?
Yes.
Okay, your word of advice to them for this person?
My word of advice is that maybe if the government can assist all these youths, because the way I saw the today match, in fact, I was so excited. If government can assist them by promoting them, like this tournament now, at least I can pick 8 of these boys. Even if I have the money, myself, I can use the money, sponsor them to Turkey.
Okay, your name once again, sir?
My name is Councillor Karim Sarapa. Councillor representing us.
Your word of the government.
Well, the chairman is trying his best, but if chairman can continue doing this in every year, he will assist the youths. That's my own word of advice.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Let's get to meet the coach. This is Coach Amatoku. The coach for Ward-C1. This is Coach Amatoku. So let's get to meet your name. then, what can you say about today's match concerning your team?
Well, my name is Henry Amatoku. I sincerely congratulate the team. They did well, exceedingly well. They put themselves before the crowd in Ifako Ijaiye. And I want to thank the chairman of Ifako Ijaiye, Usman Akabi. He has done well. Honorable Sharafa, they've done well. All the old schools that have organized this ball, we thank them, and we know we're going far. God has given us victory. That same God that gave us victory today will continue to give us victory forever till we leave the trophy. In Jesus' name. I'm the captain of the team.
What can you say about your team? Being able to at least work with this match?
Yeah, in fact, I'm so happy with my team. There are so many people down us that we are going nowhere. But with God, all things is possible. So, and I believe in my team that we are going so well.
Okay, so what do you expect to be your next match?
It's total victory. Total victory.
And then once again,
Allah the major Ebenezer.
Yeah, by and large, we see here in Ifako Ijaiye local government where we're having the first game in the UAE, that is Usman Akabi Hamzat Inter-World competition. So we've been able to come to the final as in the end of the first match, which is being won by World C1 versus World B. So World C1 in the penalty shootouts, they won today's match. So why don't you come along with us to watch the next match coming up within the week? I remain to Ovalaka, reporting from this channel, Honorable TV on Part 2 Television. Thank you.